Hey, how's it going? This is David DeVore. I'm super excited to show you our new whiz-bang admin for Marketing Cloud. We call it Cloud Control. And we expect to expand beyond Marketing Cloud into Core and into Sales and into Commerce Cloud and Data Cloud and so forth, but this is where we're going to start. So, longtime partner of Marketing Cloud and anybody who's been around Marketing Cloud for a long time knows that there's some complexity. Customer journeys are hard, AMPScript is hard, dynamic emails are hard, data segmentation is hard, and so typically these take technical architects and fairly technical roles to make whiz-bang things happen inside of Marketing Cloud. So we said, well, what if we put natural language over it to make it super easy for anybody? So let me go ahead and sign in. I'm just going to sign in with Google. Boom, and here we have it. Now, we've got the chat out of the gate, and what I'm going to do just to show the power of this thing is I'm going to go ahead and just choose this off the shelf, create and display abandoned cart email. So we can see this in action. Okay, so you can see that our agent is off to the races now, examining the Marketing Cloud account, and we have, of course, the APIs all hooked up and so forth. It sent a request to the REST API, and right now it is it's called creating an artifact. So an artifact in this case is going to be the abandoned cart email. And what I expect is that I expect abandoned cart to also have AMPScript. I expect it to be performant in terms of mobile responsive email design and so forth. And so that is what it's doing. One of the things that's exciting is when it completes a task, it pulls back the actual what it actually did, what it actually asked for, and so forth. So you can dive into it and get more details on what it was actually working on. Okay, so it has completed the request, and you can see that it gave me a response, tell me about the features, dynamic greeting, fallback valued customer, time-based messaging adapts to how long the cart was abandoned. It has pulled AMPScript from abandoned cart, multiple fallbacks for email, dynamic URL generation, design, conversion optimization, etc. And it did all that, right? And so you can see here that it created the artifact. The artifact is, in fact, the email, HTML. So all of this code, you might be like, oh my gosh, it's broken. No, this is AMPScript. It wrote the AMPScript for the abandoned cart email. It wrote the AMPScript for the first name for personalization. It wrote the AMPScript for the item in the cart that they abandoned. And it also wrote, in this case, copy for the email itself. And so this is ready to go. Now, over here on templates, what we can do is we can create templates for common activities, right? So, and those actually can go into a marketplace. So these ones that are published into a public marketplace, now anybody can come along who's using the tool and pick up this prompt template to be able to interact with Marketing Cloud with natural language. So super excited. We've got a couple out of the gate. We've got loyalty. We've got a planning template. We've got customer journey automation. We've got A/B testing. We also have abandoned cart and reporting, segmentation, all the common use cases we already have built out as templates. And of course, you can create your own templates as well super easily, or we can help people create them. So that is Cloud Control, and so we're super excited, looking for early adopters and people to bring us feedback. My email is david@meshmesh.io or david@storyports.com. Either will get to me, and we'd love you to reach out and give us use cases. So thank you much. Have a great day.